Cully, I think in the going green, man, solar on the roof to help the environment, is renewable energy, right?
That is true. Let me ask you this. First thing, have you applied for a householder's right to renewable energy certificate from the Ministry of Energy?
Oh, no.
Your installer can do that for you, buddy. Then, when you get your certificate, before you start to install, you can apply to Light and Power for a grid interconnection, attach your design, and the certificate from the ministry.
You carry all of this in your head?
Nah, man. It's all on the Light and Power website, blpc.com.bb. And you can submit everything online.
What? But that's a good idea, Cully.
Light and Power reviews your application.
And if it all good, you get a letter that says approved for installation. I got mine. Now, I'm gonna call my installer to put up the panels and all that renewable energy system.
Tell me something. I heard about how you could get back some kind of credit from Light and Power if you supply any excess electricity to the grid from your solar system.
Correct. A feed-in tariff. It's called FIT for short.
Let's face it, that's the only way that you can get fit.
I always fit. You could do something about that belly of yours. Like you on a seafood diet.
Who, me?
You eating everything you see.
Look up for me, you know such.